It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2017 GMC Yukon XL SLT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Yukon. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, the programmable memory seat, door storage, and a premium Bose sound system. All-weather floor mats on the floor, a power telescopic steering wheel. To the left of the steering wheel here we have traction control, park assist, lane departure alert, power adjustable foot pedals, the trailer brake, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some lighting controls. A power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side, we have our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. And on the right side, we have our audio controls and voice commands. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the power sunroof buttons, power liftgate buttons where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, the programmable garage door opener, some interior light buttons, and a place to store your sunglasses. OnStar in the rearview mirror. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. We've got the hard buttons for our radio and media options below the screen. If we push this button here, it will raise our screen to reveal a storage compartment with a USB plug-in. CD player just below that. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning. We also have the rear climate control buttons, heated and cooled front leather seats. To the left here we have the engine push start button. Simply apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the vehicle. Some USB ports and power plug-ins, two cup holders, and a wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Yukon we have LED headlamps, fog lights, 22-inch aluminum wheels, 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, black roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, running boards down below. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, remote start, and a power lift gate. I'm going to pop that open by using our key fob and pushing that button twice. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, the buttons to fold the second and third row seats down, as well as a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has some power plug-ins, heated rear seats, and the rear climate control buttons. To gain access to the third row, use the center aisle or pull the lever on the side of the seat. In the back, we've got 3 additional seats with cup holders on either side, as well as a power plug-in. So come take a look at the 2017 GMC Yukon XL SLT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.